Need cash today? Then there's no greater way of getting paid fast than with instant commission affiliate programs. The great thing about instant payment programs is that they have offers from a lot of individual affiliate programs. Depending upon the network, you'll likewise find an assortment of tools which help you choose what products to promote. You'll also be supplied with your own affiliate ID for every product you market, a central location for your statistics, affiliate tools for every product. These affiliate tools might include product pictures, banners, keyword lists, swipes for emails, and more. A few networks will let you direct access the vendor's affiliate tools for every product, as well as those tools supplied by the vendors. A few networks likewise supply their own set of tools that may be utilized with any of the products in their marketplace. The well-known networks are completely trustworthy when it comes to getting your payment, and their systems are frequently easier to use. The fact that they pay at once means that basically you're in a better position, as if a website like ClickBank were to go under tomorrow, you'd lose all your pending money. With the instant payment networks, this can't happen to you. What you must look out for is the way in which you're paid your instant commissions. A few networks operate on a rotating payment scheme while others provide a straight split. With the rotating payments, you and the vendor will take turns getting the full payment for the merchandise, beginning with the vendor. You're responsible for refunding if it's you who's been credited with it. With a straight split scheme, one half the commission is paid directly to the vendor and one half to you as the affiliate. Another benefit of the straight split system is that it avoids the issues that happen with the rotation scheme where you only get credited for every other sale. Basically, this means that if you only make one sale, you won't get paid. If you make 3 sales, you'll only get paid for one of them. Totaled over multiple campaigns, this may amount to a lot of cash that you're not getting. Next, we will look at a few of the platforms. In our first video, we looked at why instant commissions are the way to go. The most beneficial affiliate marketing programs provide immediate payment for every sale. The benefits to the affiliate are clearly tremendous. Getting paid instantly is really nice indeed. And, depending upon how you pay for advertising or promotion, you might get your commissions before you have even paid for the method that made you the sales. Cash flow is the number one thing in all businesses, particularly when just beginning. Having access to cash helps you to grow more quickly. What's in it for the website? Product owners. They get more sales, as the affiliates are more inclined to sign on. Getting paid immediately really grabs the affiliate's attention. Looking into instant commission programs is extremely recommended if you're an active affiliate. And if you're fresh to the affiliate game, it's the best place to begin. Let's do a quick overview of a few. Warrior Plus. The Warrior Plus features the WSO Pro and the WSO Tracker. For Warrior Forum members, there are instant notifications by email, RSS, or a combination. Warrior Plus likewise features the WSO of the Day section, where the greatest offers are detailed. When you're an affiliate for a product, your commission is paid automatically, immediately upon a successful purchase from the buyer. Before you get your commission, though the fee is paid by the seller, this means if you were getting 100% commission, you'd get 100% of the cash left over after the fees. For a refund, the customer requests it from the vendor and the vendor does the refund. When this gets to PayPal, the commission you got gets refunded to the seller. All of this happens automatically. It's a great idea to keep the commission in your account for 60 days to ensure that the buyer doesn't request a refund. The only email address the buyer ever sees is the vendor's. JVZoo. It's free to become an affiliate at JVZoo. You'll get instant access to all the affiliate tools and training. The JVZoo Affiliate Marketplace contains products from a wide assortment of categories. You get up to the minute conversion and EPC details for products you know what to expect from a promotion. Get paid instantly by the vendor. This eliminates chargebacks or PayPal disputes. If you start promoting a product, you'll be cookied to the whole sales funnel. See precisely how your campaigns are doing in real time. There as well is a bonus delivery system and the ability to use two-tier affiliate layout. Vendors deal directly with buyers, so there's no need to ever supply customer support for individuals that buy from your affiliate links. DG results. Would you like to get paid immediately in your PayPal account on every sale, without the headaches or instant commission scripts? DigiResults is the answer. Immediate payment for promoting high-converting products. You simply promote, no customer support responsibility as an affiliate. It's free to get started, up to 100% commissions on premium products. Next, we will look at how to open an account with JVZoo. In our last video, we looked at a few instant commission platforms. In this video, we will look at how to open an account with JVZoo. There are no out-of-pocket costs to become a JVZoo seller or affiliate. You are able to create as many buy buttons as you wish, add as many projects as you would like to the marketplace, and promote as many products as you are able to get approved for. First, go to http://www.jvzoo.com. Click on Become an Affiliate. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the Sign Up Now button. Fill in all your info and make sure to accept all the terms. Hit register and you are on your way to being able to promote offers. Note, you will also need to have a PayPal account in order to get your instant payments. Next, we will look at how to open an account in DigiResults. In our last video, we looked at how to open an account with JVZoo. In this video, we will look at how to open an account with DigiResults. DigiResults has created a fresh approach to internet marketing, an approach that sullies vendors with more freedom than ever before, an approach that makes it simpler for affiliates to earn cash faster than ever before. Everybody gets paid directly into their PayPal account. Unlike a few instant commission products with rotating commissions, their commissions are real-time. You will need to have a verified PayPal account to get paid. Then go to http://www.digiresults.com. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill out all the info and hit the Sign Up button. They will then send you an email to confirm your account. So check your inbox and click the link to finish your sign up. If you can't find the email in your inbox, look in your spam folder or request a new confirmation email. Once you click on the link to confirm in the email, you will automatically be directed to a page to link your PayPal account. Take note of all the information on this page. After you click the Link My PayPal Account button, you will be sent to PayPal. It's easy to do. Log into PayPal, click Agree and Continue. Your account is now linked. Now you are on your way to promoting offers. Next, we will look at how to set up an account at Warrior Plus. In our last video, we looked at how to open an account with DigiResults. In this video, we will look at how to open an account with Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a nifty affiliate marketing help website that gives you a safe and trusted marketplace for Warrior Forum and the Warrior Special Offer section. First of all, you will have to have a PayPal account. Next, because this is a helper site, you will need to open an account with Warrior Forum. If you already have an account there, you can skip this step. Go to http://www.warriorforum.com. click on Click here to register. Make sure to read the rules on the page that comes up, and after that, click the box that says you agree and hit the register button. On the next screen, fill in all your information and fill in referrer information if it is applicable, and hit the complete registration button. Next, you will be filling out your account information. Make sure to take note of the fact that your username must be the same as the one you signed up with on the Warrior forum. If you use another name, it will not work. Once again, you will be sent a confirmation email, so make sure to confirm your account. You are now on your way to promoting products from Warrior Plus. Next, we will look at how to choose profitable affiliate programs. Prior to you throwing yourself rashly into the marketing activities that will take over much of your time as an affiliate, it's vital that you select a great product to market. Not all products with affiliate programs make you any money, and even the greatest marketing efforts may be wasted if the program isn't attractive to customers or doesn't pay out a great commission. While you may discover a profitable market first and then locate affiliate programs inside that market, it's actually a lot faster to do just the opposite. In this video, we'll cover how to do this. Don't forget to select products or services that you feel comfortable with and know something about, as this will give you an air of being an expert as you write about them, and individuals will be able to relate with you, and you may establish more secure relationship with your buyers or list. Don't fail under the trap of attempting to fool the public with products that you don't know about, or doesn't deliver what it promises, or you'll find your believability failing and you'll lose your following quickly. Ask yourself, what do you know about the business marketing the product? Why, recognizing what sort and brands that are utilized may better help to sell if the brand name is well known. You don't have to have all your affiliate products in well-known brands. However, a few well-targeted products may be handy to help attract attention to your site. If you sell more than one product on your site, this might catch individuals' attention for additional items. Do your research about the affiliate company and figure out how they pay. Do they pay instantly or rotating payment? Determine that they have good sales results and conversions. At JVZoo, you can check the marketplace for top sellers and featured product. At Warrior Plus, you can check WSO of the day. At DigiResults, check Marketplace and you can see how many copies of product have been sold. As well, look for testimonials for others who are affiliates at these companies. Don't look simply at the testimonials on the affiliate site, which were selected because they're positive. Also, look online for individuals who have had negative experiences. Now you have the starting points to choose a product to promote. Next, we will cover how to get approved as an affiliate if you are just starting out with zero stats. If you have no sales yet and want to be approved for a product promotion, you have to supply good information. Sometimes a good site, a good list, and good ideas. There are several mistakes and problems that cause affiliate requests and applications to be refused. What most product owners fear is having their brand linked to crappy sites or affiliates that have a rep of being spammy. In this video, we will look at the more frequently occurring things to avoid to get approved in no particular order. Don't choose inappropriate categories for your site or content. Really pay attention to this one. An illustration is don't associate your dating site with a health category. Spelling errors. I'm sure there are others that are disturbed by this. When you don't care how things look, why would I entrust you with the promotion of product? Wrong URLs. Missing sites. Site not found is never the first page you want the product owner to see if they're checking into the URL you've named on your profile. Missing disclosure. You have to have an affiliate link disclosure on your site, particularly when you run review type sites. Social market solely. When the sole URL listed on your account is your Twitter URL, your chances of getting okayed are really slight. Oh, and that obscene picture in your recent pictures surely doesn't help either. Too many ads. Affiliate pages, site overloaded with banners don't fly. Being vague. A one page that's vague text about a crazy money making opportunity, without any specifics of what precisely it is, means you won't get approved. No clarity. Make certain you educate yourself not solely about the affiliate marketing, generally, however also about the meaning of things in your affiliate account, particularly. Please request. When your application got refused, please put some thought into your follow-up request. Too many are simply asking to be reconsidered without supplying any reasons. State your plans for the promotion. There are better chances of getting approved. Bottom line, these are the essential to-dos. Include a full name and an email address on a domain of your own. The sites make it clear how products are going to be marketed, and the text does jibe with the promotional methods indicated. Details of the incentive scheme also make sense. Next, we will look at how to create a squeege page to start building your list.